SABC Head of Corporate Affairs, Hlaudi Motsoeneng, is eligible and within his rights to apply for any position at the SABC, and there is no court judgment that bars him from doing so. This is according to legal expert Paul Ngobeni.
There is no court judgment that has said Mr. Motsoeneng is not eligible for appointment to senior executive positions here at the SABC. What we had, two judgments. One was that of Judge Skippers, in which he said that Mr. Motsoeneng must go through a disciplinary inquiry before an impartial and independent person. That was subsequently done, and Mr. Motsoeneng was cleared. Then you have the judgment of Judge Davis in the Western Cape High Court. That judgment was also very clear. First, they made it clear that the minister's appointment of Mr. Motsoeneng as a permanent COO, while the allegations by the public protector were not cleared, while they still were out there, that was irrational and unlawful. The court instructed the minister and the SABC to go ahead with a disciplinary inquiry. And the court was very specific in two specific paragraphs, paragraph 52 and 53. It said, if Mr. Motsoeneng is cleared of the charges leveled against him, then he will be eligible for appointment to even the position of a permanent COO. Now, a month after that court ruling, that's when Mr. Motsoeneng's disciplinary inquiry took place. My understanding, again, I don't want to get too much into the operational issues here at this SABC because I don't know any of them. I'm here to comment on the legal implications or on the court judgment. My understanding was that there was an impartial person, independent person, an advocate from the bar, Advocate Edeling, who presided over that disciplinary inquiry. Witnesses were called, and based on the evidence adduced at that hearing, Mr. Motsoeneng was cleared. Yes, it's true that at the time he was cleared, he was already appealing Judge Davis's judgment to the Supreme Court of Appeal. So you may ask yourself, I've heard some people today talking about an SCA judgment. There's really no SCA judgment to speak of. All the SCA did was to deny Mr. Motsoeneng the right to appeal against Judge Davis's judgment. In law, that means that the controlling judgment is that of Judge Davis. And as I just explained earlier, Judge Davis's judgment is actually in favor of Mr. Motsoeneng because it says, let him go out there, have a disciplinary inquiry before an impartial person, and if he's cleared, then like any other employee, he's now eligible for all other positions.